Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your textbook, Marigold. And the chapter's name is My Elder Brother. Okay? My Elder Brother. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. They are two brothers who love uh, they respect each other, and they are very much affectionate to each other, means they are very attached to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day to day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. See, what we learn from the books is important, but what we learn in our day to day life's experience, what we are facing every day, is also very important, because then we'll not, if we don't learn from our day to day life experience, then we will not be able to face the real world outside. Okay, the knowledge is there in the book, but what knowledge you get by day to day experience is different. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Sahab. This story is based on Hindi story, famous Hindi story, Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is a very famous and a very good writer. So he has written this story, and it is taken from that. Okay, Hindi writer he is. Okay, so let's start with our chapter. Scene 1. Hostel room. Two brothers, aged 9 and 14 years, sitting in a study table, or at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book, and the younger one Munna is drawing picture of the bird and animals. See, this story is actually like a play. Okay, like a play is going on. So a hostel room is there, and two brothers, age one is 9 and one is 14 years old, sitting at a study table. They're sitting at a study table, and the elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book, and the younger one Munna, name of the younger brother is Munna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. And what he is doing, he is drawing pictures of birds and animals, and the elder brother is reading a book. Okay. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. So now his brother is asking him that what you are doing. So he's saying that I'm drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Now the elder brother is very much concerned about studies, but the younger one doesn't seem so much into studies. So Bhaiya is asking him that where were you in the morning? That when will you study and where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale, I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Now when he asked that why were you in the morning, so he little bit got scared. And then what did he say? That I was playing. And then he's asking his brother that how can you sit with a book for hours together? Means how can you sit with a book for hours? I cannot sit like that. So he's little uh, curious to know that how his brother always keeps sitting with the books. Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. Now his brother is explaining that why I keep sitting with books, because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. That's why, it means he wants his education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Now what he is explaining, that if the base of the building is strong, then the building on it will stand strongly. If the base is weak, the building will fall. Okay. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So he's saying that sometimes it takes me 2 years. Takes time for me to do 1 year's work, because I do it in a perfect way. I want perfection. I want it to be done neatly, nicely, and firmly. Okay. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years old than I am, and older than I am. He's saying that you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times. Now he's saying that you are 3 classes ahead of me and you are 5 years older than me. And he's saying that why you keep writing the same word 20 times. One sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful handwriting. Now he's saying that you keep writing one word 20 times, a sentence 20 times, you keep writing poems every time. The same poem repeatedly you keep writing in beautiful handwriting. Then why do you do all this? But now Bhaiya is replying, you know, studying English is no child's play. Now he's saying that studying English is not a child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. Now he's saying that one has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. Any subject you take, you have to work hard to understand that chapter, that particular subject. You need to work very hard on that subject. Okay, to speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. He's saying that to speak English and you need tremendous effort, means you need a lot of effort should be put in to speak and write English properly. Okay, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field. Now he's saying that when you get a moment to do study, what do? You run to the field. You avoid studying. Play marbles and fly paper kites. And you play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. As sit idling means wasting time, sitting with friends and having fun instead of studying. Instead of utilizing that time, what you do? You fly kites, you play marbles, you sit with your friends, wasting time. Can't you sit down and study? His brother is asking that, can't you sit down and study for a while? Actually, Munna is not into so much of studies, means he is studying, but he likes to play, he likes to enjoy playing more instead of studying. And the brother is opposite. He always sits with a book, always keep writing, learning. So the brother is explaining his younger brother, the elder brother is explaining that you should sit and study instead of always playing in the field. Okay, the next version of the chapter we'll read in the next video. Thank you.